What's up, bros? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing great. I am also doing okay. Bros, there's a lot that's happening, there's a lot that's going on, and we need to talk about it. Without any waste of time, we're gonna jump right into it. Yusuf Matt, our captain, Kaiser Chiefs captain, is staying. His agent confirmed it. What's her name? It's Garabo Chabuse. He confirmed it to a broadcaster. Yes, we are renewing his contract in the coming week. Kodwa ke akachazanga ukuthi bazomrenewela how many years, i-contract abayidisclosanga, yonke into izodiscusswa next week. So yeah, man, the captain is staying. I want to know what you guys think about this. Yusuf Matt staying at Kaiser Chiefs. If you are a Chief fan, let me know your thoughts. Me, I'm a Chief fan also. I don't think it's a bad thing keeping him. He's the team captain, and he's very important. Leadership skills, he has them. As much as I don't like sometimes how he plays, but yeah, he's the team captain, and on and off the pitch, I think he's very helpful. So yeah, man, keep him, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, let's talk about another player, man. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. Apparently, Lorch, after his standout performances in the Club World Cup, he has attracted interest from multiple teams like overseas. Okay, this is what Usoka Laduma is saying. We at Casablanca are facing an uphill battle to retain the services of Thembi Nkosi-Lorch as Moroccan giants scramble to negotiate a permanent deal with Sundowns while overseas interest intensify. Okay, with that, if we Lorch, but there's a problem with Mamelodi Sundowns. Looks like the Sundowns, they also want the player. They want to keep him as their player, of course. Kule loan awayisayinile with that Lorch, there is no buyout option or there is no release clause. So after ilento loan iphela, he has to go back to Mamelodi Sundowns. And for sure, Sundowns, since Lorch edlale kangaka ku-Club World Cup, attracting interest from teams overseas, for sure they're gonna want to keep him or sell him, make money off him. So they're not gonna just give him to Iwedad. So there are teams looking for him overseas. If they want him, they can buy him. If Sundowns iyavuma, Iwedad nayo can buy him if Sundowns iyavuma, and the player agrees also. So it's up to the team, the player, and yeah, man, the one with the better offer is gonna win his signature Lorch. So that's what's happening, man. I think the Sundowns are gonna try and cash in a lot of money for Lorch because udlalile umjeda ku-Club World Cup, and no team is not wanting him because he's a very good player. Okay, let's move on. We're gonna talk about Dortmund. Sundowns. Why am I talking about Dortmund? Okay, Sundowns have to win tomorrow. They are playing against Fluminense, a team from Brazil. I think we all know that. I think I need to show you the table in that group F. Fluminense are on top with 4 points, and then Dortmund second with 4 points also. So yeah, man, Sundowns has 3 points as they won only one game against Ulsan. So they have to win this game in the Club World Cup. They have to win it. They have to win against Fluminense. And this game is gonna be a very hard game for Mamelodi Sundowns because the Fluminense are gonna try whatever they can to win this match. Because you lose this game, you are out of the Club World Cup competition. So yeah, man, it's a hard one. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't even know what to say. Don't even know which one should I back. Fluminense, very good team from Brazil. Sundowns, a very good team from South Africa, but they make a lot of mistakes, man. So this game could be a very hard one for them. But yeah, if Ronwen Williams and the defense of Mamelodi Sundowns do not make the same mistakes they did against the Dortmund, they could beat Fluminense for sure. They could beat them. They have all the capabilities to do that. Okay, let's move on. We're gonna talk about Le Pirates. Amathambo FC 2025 2026 jersey, bro. Home and away, beautiful, beautiful jerseys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a Chief fan, but I'm not gonna hate on them, bros. Bro, lekiti intle, intle. You know, sometimes it happens in football that you have to support your oppositions. Ubone, when you need your biggest rivals to beat a certain team in order for your team to qualify for a certain maybe competition, you know sometimes you need your rivals. Sometimes you back your rivals, and we'll be like, we are like Orlando Chiefs, so the jersey I would buy and wear for one day if that situation comes by, I would buy it is this one. I hope you can see it. Why am I showing you here? I'm gonna show you on the screen for sure. The one that is almost like silver. It's beautiful. Out of 10, let me rate it 10 out of 10. And this one, the black one, the home jersey, it's classic. It's a classic jersey. There's not many changes, but it's still beautiful. So I could give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, man. So amajezi Pirates mahle. I hope now we Chiefs azophuma azoba mahle, because hey, bro, sizoba inhlekisa. Please Kaizer Chiefs, ningasenza inhlekisa. After iPirates ikhiphe amajezi amahle kanje, Chiefs, please madoda. Please ningasihlazi emphakathini. Please Kapa nawenza amajezi Chiefs, please Kapa ungasihlazi. Ungasihlazi. Okay. One other news we're gonna talk about is Sipho Mbule joining Orlando Pirates. The Master Chefs joining Orlando Pirates, bro. The guy. I think Sipho Mbule is gonna cook at Orlando Pirates. You know why? Because Pirates is a no-nonsense team. Yes, so he knows going there you have to work. Pirates ayidlali, and I think we've seen it over the years. I think we've seen it is a no-nonsense team. Abadlali, no player is bigger than the club. No no bullshit is accepted at Orlando Pirates. And Sipho Mbule Kwayena himself, he has a point to prove. I'm sure he is seeing the news that are going on about him being a player who likes mkomboti too much, who focuses more on drinking than playing. For sure, he's gonna want to prove a point to a lot of people, and I believe we're gonna see the best of Sipho Mbule in that Orlando Pirates team, bro. I think he's gonna cook. And look at this, bro. It's so dangerous. And I'm looking at this lineup that was made by someone on Facebook. Makaula, Mbata, Mbule. Bro, that lineup is fire. It's fire. Mbule pairing up with Mufugeng. And then Usaleng, if he's staying, is he staying? I don't even know if he's staying. Bro, this lineup is fire, and it's scary, bro. Makaula, Mbata, and Mbule in that midfield. Bro, Pirates is gonna cook us. Iyapega this season, the Pirates. Hey, izoqalaza. Anyways, man, we're gonna talk about who else we're gonna talk about. Peter Shalulile has decided against renewing Mamelodi Sundowns contract, and he is set to leave the club on a free transfer. The 31-year-old prolific striker has received serious interest from the Middle East Saudi. Shalulile is yet to feature in the Sundowns Club World Cup. Now, okay, Shalulile is leaving Sundowns. Yeah, man, he's leaving. And I think it's a great move for him to attract interest from our Mazwe and Emale needs. He's old, so yeah, man, he has to make a lot of money. He's in his 30s, so make a lot of money. Utuma retire when the show go to right. So yeah, man, it's happening. A lot is happening. I don't even know if there's something I'm leaving behind, because there's so much that's going on during this transfer window. But man, I'll catch you on the next video. If there's anything that I need to update you with, I'm gonna make sure that I make the video, staying consistent. Yeah man, we're going full time now, so please support the channel, help the channel grow. So let's get to 2K subscribers quickly before the end of July. So yeah man, catch you on the next one.